Good day. I'm Dr. Raymond Joseph Valdez, a psychiatrist of the DLSUMC University Medical Center. I'm going to talk about mental health effects of online learning. Before we start, I'm going to quote Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Online classes affect the mental health of not only students, but also parents and even teachers. And for those patients or individuals who have existing mental health problems, their situation may worsen. Imagine how is it like for a student to spend hours every day in front of the computer without social interaction. And at the same time during this pandemic, parents are now acting like teachers and are more involved in their children's schoolwork. Teachers and professors have increased workloads as well and are pressured to deliver quality learning without face-to-face classes. Virtual or online learning can cause fatigue. Now we have the so-called Zoom fatigue, which refers to feelings of exhaustion after long Zoom classes or video conference calls. During an online class, there's information overload, plus facing the screen for prolonged periods is mentally draining. During this pandemic, there's lack of interaction and social isolation. In face-to-face classes, schools do not only teach new learning from books, it is where friendship starts and fun memories are created. The lack of social interaction in online learning leads to feelings of loneliness, lack of motivation, and isolation. There's also increased anxiety and stress. Separating home life and class time, not following a routine schedule, the distractions at home, cause students not to be able to concentrate well with their classes. As a result, students tend to procrastinate and set things aside, then deadlines are missed, or sometimes they cram. This causes pressure, stress, and anxiety to both the students and their parents. Like what I said earlier, the parents' mental health get affected too. Parents have now become proxy educators, tutors, and are getting more involved with schoolwork to ensure that their kids learn well and maintain good grades. If the students are stressed, so are the teachers. Teaching using technology devices has not been their best asset. There's also the pressure of worry of teachers losing their jobs because there are some schools that are closing. There's also the additional workload to ensure that they deliver quality education to their students. These are also causing anxiety, and it's been challenging in the mental health of teachers too. So, how do we take care of our mental health during these times? We should have a designated work or study space. That means if you are in that space, you need to work or study. Of course, we need to encourage healthy habits like having regular exercises and eating healthy food. Follow a regular schedule. We should have a regular schedule when it's time for our work or study. Like what I said earlier, we should encourage physical activities for our children and our parents as well. And also, like in school, we should take breaks. This ends my lecture for today, and this is my reference. Thank you and stay safe.